Welcome back. So we got a snow squall warning for the Plattsburgh, New York area until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We also got Tupper Lake, Paul Smith's, Saranac Lake, Tahawas, Newcomb, Keene, Loon Lake, Peru, Blackbrook, and Wilmington, New York in this as well. Also going to be throwing in Redford as you're on the edge of this. We also got parts of Interstate 87 and like Highway 73, 99, I want to say. A few others. 79, I want to say. Oh no, that's 30. Got 99. Highway 3, maybe 22. That would be a bit of a stretch though. 28 and a few others. We got 38,035 people affected by this. So with that, if you don't need to be out, don't be out. Otherwise, that's about it. Stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.